Look in thy glass, and tell the face thou viewest, now is the time that face should form another, whose fresh repair if now thou not renewest, thou dost beguile the world unbless some mother. For were she so far whose under womb disdain the tillage of thy husbandry, or whose he so fond will be the tomb of his self-love to stop posterity? Thou art thy mother's glass, and she in thee calls back the lovely apple of her prime. So thou through windows and thine age shalt see the spite of wrinkles, this thy golden time. But if thou live, remember not to be this symbol, and fine image dies with fear.